30th anniversary. And he's the author of the fantastic book, previously on X-Men, and the co-author of the Art and Making of X-Men the Animated Series, Eric Lee Walls. Future Past Part 1 and Whatever It Takes, and co-wrote the Art and Making of X-Men the Animated Series, Julia Lee Walls. Not only did he serve as a producer and art director on the show, but he directed all 76 episodes. Larry Houston. Now this next panelist needs no introduction, does she, Sugar? She's the voice of Rogue, Lenore Zahn. And he wrote many classic episodes, including Captive Hearts and A Rogue's Tale, Bob Skur. So in honor of the show's 30th anniversary, we thought today we'd talk a lot about the development of the show, how it got off the ground, its premiere in season 1. We are going to get right into it. So Eric, can you tell us about getting the green light on the series and the extremely quick turnaround for season 1?
Absolutely. It was Sunday night. We're at home. Get the call. You're going to be doing X-Men. I said, well, that's a Marvel book, right? And so that shows my background with X-Men. Luckily, Larry knew them backwards and forwards. Bob knew them backwards and forwards, so I had a few people to ask questions of. But the quick turnaround was that Margaret Lesh, this wonderful woman that made this all possible, who had just been made the head of Fox Kids, been trying for 10 years to get the show on the air with no interest from anybody else in town. She got it going. And she said, well, you know, I know Batman's been in development for a whole year, but can you still catch up? We've got 7 months till September. It was February. So he said, just write as fast as you can, draw as fast as you can. We'll try to get 13 episodes up and running for people and pray that it works out. So we started like 3 months behind, or certainly like a year behind Batman. And there was a certain energy to that. You know, there's no like second thinking things through. Well, maybe we can do something different. Just first stories we got done. Larry, first images that come to your mind, draw them off to the animators in Korea. So it was a absolute dive in the deep end. Cross our fingers, hope, pray that it gets done, that it turns out, and any of us that ever worked on. How that all came together is a mystery, but it really was. Larry's worked on 95 shows, Julie and I have worked on 50. Nothing came together like this creatively. And there were a lot of fights early on. People said it's not gonna work, it needs to be younger, it needs to dumb it down, take the big words out, make it more for 6-year-olds. And all of us agreed that was terrible and would ruin the show. And so there's a lot of fighting that first year, hold it together and get it done and as fast as we could. And then once it came out and you guys all made it a hit, everybody was happy with it. So
we have directing skills, so we're fanboys. And so we were like gung-ho. I mean, we really wanted to do the show and do it the right way and add the blacks so it looked like the comic books and everything. So we were ready and willing, and we wanted to do an accurate version of the comic books. Take the books, put it on the air. You know, that was our motto. That's what we wanted to do, and luckily we were successful at it. But man, like Eric was saying, there were so many speed bumps, I call them, along the way that almost derailed the entire series. But we stuck it out and stuck to our guns and got the version out that you guys saw. And I have to thank all you guys, because without you guys keeping the ratings at the very top, it's either us or Power Rangers, we got to pick up the season 2. So I want to thank you guys.